Welcome back to continue real number. Today I am here to explain you the relationship between the LCM and HCF of two numbers. Do you know product of two numbers are always equal to product of their LCM and HCF. So let's start. Suppose we have two numbers P and Q. The first number is P and the second number is Q. So product of P and Q should be equal to LCM of PQ into HCF of PQ. So by an example we can verify this relationship. So take an example. Suppose we have the first number 12 and the second number is 18. So prime factorize the first number. So 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 and 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. So these are the prime factorizations of 12 and 18. By using fundamental theorem of arithmetic, we can find the LCM and HCF of these two numbers. So how can we find this? So first find LCM. How can we find LCM? Find the larger group of the prime numbers. So we can see that the larger group of 2 is here in factorization of 12. So take the larger group of 2, that is 2 into 2. Then find the larger group of 3. So 3 into 3, definitely the larger group. This is the smaller group and this is the larger group. So take the larger group of 3. Now multiply this. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 3s are 36. So 36 will be the LCM of 12 and 18. Now how can we find HCF? When we find HCF, find the common group of these two numbers. So what is common in this prime factorizations? You can see 1 2 is common. Here it is 1 2 and in this we are also getting 1 2. So 1 2 is common to both. So take 2. Then find another common prime factor, that is 3. 3 is common to both. 1 3 is common to both. So take 3. So 2 3s are 6 will be the HCF of these two numbers. So finally we find the LCM and HCF of these two numbers. So LCM of 12 and 18 is 36 and HCF of 12 and 18 is 6 by prime factorization method. Now we have to verify this relationship that product of two numbers is always equal to product of their LCM and HCF. So do it. 12 into 18 should be equal to 36 into 6. 12 and 18 are two numbers, whereas 36 is the LCM of 12 and 18 and 6 is the HCF of 12 and 18. So what will be 12 into 18? 12 into 18 will be 216 and 36 6 is again 216. So by this example we have verified this relationship that product of two numbers are always equal to product of their LCM and HCF. Remember, this method is not applicable for three numbers. That means we cannot say that product of three numbers are equal to product of their LCM and HCF. It is only applicable for two numbers. Now take another example. Suppose again we have two numbers 40 and 15. So how can we find LCM and HCF of these two numbers? First prime factorize 40 So it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now prime factorize 15, it will be 3 into 5. So by fundamental theorem of arithmetic, how can we find the LCM and HCF? So first find the LCM. Take the larger group of 2, that is 2 into 2 into 2 is the larger group. Then take the larger group of 3. So we have only 3 here in the factorization of 15. So we have to take 3. Then take the larger group of 5. So we have only 1 5. So take it. Now multiply this. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 5s are 40. And 40 3s are is 120. So LCM of 40 and 15 is 120. Now find HCF. When we find HCF, we find the common factor. So what is the common factor in 40 and 15? What is the common prime factor? So 2 is not common, 3 is again not common. We can see only 1 5 is common to both. So HCF will be 5. So LCM of 40 and 15 is 120 and HCF of 40 and 15 is 5. Now we can again verify the relationship. So what was our relationship? That is product of two number is always equal to product of their LCM and HCF. So take this two number 40 into 15. Now HCF of 40 and 15 is 5 and LCM of 40 and 15 is 120. Multiply this 40 15s are, it will be 600 and 5 into 120 is again 600. So the relationship is verified once again. I have already told you this method is not applicable for 3 numbers, 4 numbers or 5 numbers. There is another relationship for 3 numbers and more than 3 numbers. Hope this relationship is now clear to you. In my next video, I will share you some more topic of real number. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.